thank you for tuning in. So today we're gonna do some beating on this WRX. This is the one that we built recently. This is actually my second time going into this, doing this autocross with this. Last time I was here, my brakes failed, so we're gonna try and do it again and finish this time. I don't know if you can see it. We're in the middle of an airstrip, and they are all the way over there. Just figured I'd stop here to film and yeah, see how it goes. So this is one of my first run this morning. Let me know what you guys think. Right now, we're working as a course marshal, and the rest of these cars that I'm going to be showing are other participants. Some of them are nuts, just ridiculously good. Would you just look at this E30? Yeah. I should bring mine one day. Too bad it's too windy, kind of affects our audio, but it is what it is. Alright guys, we made the first half, not too bad. Our group is on break right now, so let's check out our setup. We got the table going, the umbrella. We're ready, boys. Let's check out some other cars that are parked here right now. Here we got Jay's Boxster, good old Chupapi Pedro's Hyundai Accent, and there's our setup again, beauty. Some S2K action going on. Okay, this one's pretty badass. This one's a Caterham. I believe there's three options of engines for this car. This one's got a V8. It's pretty gnarly. It's hard to find these kind of condition blow by. This one's pretty clean. This one I like. It's a CSX with a Type R front end. Some pretty beefy Fox body. I like it. Alright, after these two cars, we're gonna go back to the grid. We'll be racing and we're gonna wrap it up. Back at the grid. I gotta pee before we go. I'll show you my run after this. Let me know what you guys think. Enjoy. Let's rock and roll. there you have it. We completed the day. We did our morning run pretty good, and we did our afternoon run pretty good. We had 3 runs in the morning, 3 runs in the afternoon. So we are in Airdrie airstrip. We're fortunate to have this. There's no nearby racetrack, but there's the guys down there. I'm pretty much done my run and my work, so I'm heading home. It's been a great day. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button, and feel free to share. Have a good one, guys.